Hello guys! In this lesson, we're going to talk about MailEngine, your captive autoresponder. Let's get started. Autoresponders help email marketers send mailouts to their customers. One of the best autoresponders that you can find online is a tool called MailEngine. MailEngine is an autoresponder that you can install inside WordPress. Email marketers want their messages to land on their subscribers' inboxes. It's the first thing that people will see as they check their mail. The promotions folder are less likely to be seen. You may notice that as the volume of emails that are sent out goes higher, the less likely that your email will land in your subscriber's inbox. That is because email servers are sensitive when it comes to the number of the same email sent to different people. It can be detected. So as long as you keep it to a lower volume of mailouts, your emails are more likely to land on your subscribers' inboxes. Small business owners can benefit from this. Small businesses have more edge compared to large businesses, since large businesses send out more volume of mailouts than small businesses with a smaller list of subscribers. Most of the time, large businesses that send out tons of email promotions don't make it in the inboxes of their subscribers. MailEngine makes it easier for small businesses to send marketing emails using Gmail and G Suite. It has an integrated Gmail and G Suite API. You can send 500 emails daily per account on Gmail and send up to 2,000 emails daily per account on G Suite. MailEngine has a feature called Spin Text. What it does is every subscriber will receive a different subject line and content. Every email that is sent out using MailEngine with the spin text feature enabled will have no same headings and body alike. Each email will be unique. It won't be seen by the email service provider as an email that has been sent out thousands of times to different recipients, causing it to go to another folder other than the inbox. This increases your chances of getting your promotions to their inboxes and increasing your open and click rates. Each recipient receives a unique URL link. Not only your email headings and content will be unique, but also the URLs that you sent out in that email. Every email that contains a link or a URL to redirect your subscribers to a website, MailEngine will generate a different URL characters for that email subscriber, but the redirection will still be the same. If you include a URL to a landing page, your subscriber will still be redirected to the original URL link of your landing page, even if MailEngine has generated a different URL in their email. MailEngine supports multiple lists in which you can create new lists in this platform. All the added subscribers will be shown in this section. Using MailEngine, you can also add multiple SMTPs under the SMTP menu. It also supports mail sequences, and you can create specific emails per day. Select the options available in these fields, and below, you will see the Add to Mail sequence list. You can even create an email to post or create a page on your blogs, and you will be discoverable on search engines. Not only you can create emails on MailEngine, MailEngine allows you to view the emails that you have sent, including the date, subject, the number of emails opened, clicked, unsubscribed, and the SMTPs used. In the links section, you can see all the emails sent out that included links and the number of clicks here. You can also create subscription forms and embed it on any website to recruit more people to join your list. Create a new subscription form, then input the details here. You will be asking for the visitor's name and email and the subscribe button. Under the general settings, you may select a list, display form as a pop-up, or place the form inside content. Input the redirect URL after subscription here. Then the input fields are checked here, and you may add custom fields too. Then save settings. Now we have created a subscription form. You can also view the list of subscribers here. It's easy to compose and schedule emails using MailEngine. Click on the Compose Mail button and you can create a new mail, import emails, or copy and paste existing mails here. You can select which email address you want to use to send your emails from. You can also select one or multiple SMTPs that you want to use. You can also use multiple lists to send to. You can even add emails manually that are not in your lists. then type in the headline, the content of your email, then you can check the spam score of your email content. This is important for MailEngine to check if your email has keywords that service providers can mark it as spam, warning you not to use those keywords. Below you can see the section Schedule this mail and set the time zone, the time and the date, and click on the Schedule Mail button when you're done with your content. You can see the spin text and the spin URL here. For example, this is my content. This is the format for spin text. We can write our content like this. You can see curly braces and the bar symbol here. We are dividing these two sentences and telling MailEngine that this is an alternative to this sentence. MailEngine will randomly select one of each option that you have set here, which will make each of the emails sent out to be unique. For the first email, MailEngine can select option 1 for this line, and then on the next line, it will have another option 1 and option 2 to choose from randomly. It will continue selecting random options until it reaches the end of your content, and as a result, no two emails are alike. That is how innovative the technology of MailEngine is. The same goes with spin URLs. If this option is enabled, your email content that includes URLs will have unique URL characters so that no two emails will have the same URL characters in their content. Now that you know all about MailEngine, your captive autoresponder, we can now proceed to the next topic using JIT opt-in to build your list free. I'll see you there.